The Fielding Dragons program is a comprehensive approach to reducing food insecurity on our campus. The main goal is to increase healthy and nutritious food for students who are at high risk for food insecurity. Currently, the food pantry is closed due to the pandemic, but we are referring students to the Howard County Food Bank. The other initiatives we have educational and nutrition workshops, cooking classes, and recipe and meal kit program. In the fall, we had the roving radish meal kit program that students could participate in, and we're getting ready to start a similar thing at the roving radish marketplace for our students.
I came to US in '93 as a grad student, and I myself faced food insecurity because of lack of money, lack of transportation, and at times I remember having to walk more than a mile with groceries in my hands in winter. So I myself have faced food insecurity, and I know how it affects the education. So while we want to lead with the education, it is important for us to feed our body with that nutrition so that our body and the mind both work effectively.
We need the support from the community. Right now, we can't accept, canned goods and donations and things like that, but there are other ways that you can help support students. And if you are in a position to give, I would encourage you to do so, because this is really impacting students. If you have the opportunity to help, contact the Educational Foundation and reach out.
Students have shared with me that they're working and living paycheck to paycheck. So Fueling Dragons is one of those resources that helps take a little bit of the stress off and help them focus more on being a student. Students have shared that they're hungry. It's hard for them to concentrate, and they're so happy that one more resource is available to help them to be successful and to give it their all for being a student and hopefully get to that college degree.